In this diagram, we can see a complete single-phase electrical distribution system for a house.
Hi friends, welcome to Circuit Info YouTube channel.
Electric power comes from the utility pole line and enters the house through two wires: phase, live wire, and neutral wire. First, the electricity passes through the energy meter. The energy meter measures how much electrical energy the house consumes, and this value is used for the electricity bill. After the meter, the supply goes to the Main Double Pole Isolator, or Main MCB. This device allows us to manually switch off the entire house supply during maintenance or emergencies. Next, the supply is connected to a surge protection device, SPD. The SPD protects the electrical system from high-voltage surges caused by lightning or power grid disturbances. If a surge occurs, the SPD safely diverts the excess voltage to the earthing system, protecting appliances. After surge protection, the supply passes through the RCCB or RCD, residual current circuit breaker. This device protects people from electric shock. If leakage current is detected, it immediately disconnects the power. Next, the power is distributed through multiple MCBs, miniature circuit breakers. Each MCB protects an individual circuit such as lighting circuits, socket outlets, air conditioner, water heater, or other household loads. If any circuit experiences overload or short circuit, only that specific MCB trips, while other circuits continue working normally. On the right side, we can see the neutral bus bar, where all neutral wires from the circuits are connected. At the bottom, we see the earth bus bar, connected to the grounding system. All earthing wires from appliances are connected here to ensure safety. So the protection sequence in this system is energy meter to main isolator to surge protection device to RCCB to individual MCBs to load circuits. This layered protection system ensures equipment protection, human safety, reliable power distribution inside the house,